leaking or damaged garden hose, you can simply cut out the damaged section and replace it with a simple repair piece. Okay, if you go to any home improvement store, guys, you can find these simple repair components for any garden hose issue. This one will mend a busted or ran over hose, such as the lawnmower. You can cut out the damaged area and replace the splice kit. This one is a male adapter replacement piece, and this one actually is a great quick connect for a female replacement piece. Let's start with a leaking or broken hose. Okay guys, so you have a damaged hose, maybe the lawnmower ran over it or something happened. It's super easy with this component. Go ahead and grab a pair of garden shears or anything you have. Probably a pair of scissors won't go through a garden hose. This is a tool for cutting plumbing parts, really good for PEX tubing, so I'm going to use it for this garden hose repair. So anywhere in the damaged area, you just cut it out on both sides. You can also use this method to connect hoses to make them longer, which is really nice. There's one. And there's two, and then you simply insert the repair piece. This is a 5/8 inch, which is the most common type of garden hose. Put on the secure-in rings. Let's actually do them from two different directions so it's really tight so you're not screwing from the same direction. Go ahead and do the second piece. Okay, all the way seated. You're going to slide that one across. Okay, and start tightening that on down. Okay guys, there you go. Your garden hose is repaired in the middle. It will last for many more years. Okay, say the female end of your garden hose is damaged. Maybe the threads are damaged. It just doesn't turn anymore. Doesn't screw in to the spigot. I've seen it where they just kind of seized up and get rusted and they won't turn anymore. Again, go ahead and grab your shears, whatever the sharpest cutter you have in the house. Cut it back at a nice straight angle. Okay, all the way seated. Bring up your ring. Tighten it on down. And there you go. Brand new piece, probably better than the original. Actually should secure really well. Another connector on the female replacement. We're going to show you this quick connector. It's super easy. So you're replacing the threads on your garden hose. This is a quick connector. It's literally just push and play, and you will be amazed at how quick and easy it is. So you do need a straight edge. If it's crooked, it won't work. So make sure you get a nice, relatively straight piece here. Cut that right off. And then once these get seated all the way in, it literally will lock in place. Push it all the way in, and there you go. You have your new end installed, and it won't release. Good connector. Good luck, guys. I bet you can do it yourself.